Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw data from Dynamics 365 into Power BI, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw data from Dynamics 365 into Power BI, start by ensuring you have the necessary permissions in both platforms. Open Power BI Desktop on your computer. In Power BI Desktop, click on the Home tab at the top of the window. Select Get Data from the options available. In the Get Data dialog box, choose Online Services. From the drop-down menu, click OK to proceed to the login screen. Authenticate using your Dynamics 365 credentials. After successful authentication, you'll see the Navigator pane. In the Navigator pane, browse through the available entities in Dynamics 365. Select the data tables or entities you wish to import into Power BI. You can preview the data by clicking on each entity. Once you've made your selections, click Load to import the data. The data will now be transferred to Power BI, which may take a few moments depending on the volume. Once the loading process is complete, the entities will appear in the Fields pane on the right side. You can now create visuals based on the imported data. To create a report, drag and drop the fields into the report canvas. Utilize charts, graphs, and tables as needed to visualize your data. Remember to save your Power BI report regularly to avoid losing progress. To refresh the data in Power BI, go to the Home tab and select Refresh. This process will update your visuals with any new data from Dynamics 365. Finally, once your report is complete, you can publish it to the Power BI service for sharing. Ensure your report meets your requirements and reflects the most accurate data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.